Welcome to Lausanne, Switzerland. One of the favorite places on the trip, like secret hidden gem. On the way here, you know, you pass by a huge lake, ton of mountains, and there was a bunch of little winery towns. It almost reminds us of the Alsace French wine region. Also, it seems like a lot of stuff is in French here rather than German. Because I don't know, Switzerland obviously doesn't really have their own language, or maybe they have like some type of old hidden language, but it's mainly kind of just German, I guess.
That's a Swiss-German language.
But here it seems more French. But Lausanne seems amazing. Sophia's smiling. Clearly notice about Lausanne, Switzerland, is that everything is so expensive. Mainly food, because that's what we've been looking for so far. But you can almost not find a meal whatsoever for under $20 per person. It's gonna be $20 to $30 per person for literally like any type of meal. Even just a burger is like $20.
We are standing in the heart of Lausanne's Quartier du Flon, a former industrial warehouse district that's been completely transformed into the city's most modern, creative, and lively hub. This square often hosts markets, concerts, pop-up art installations, and outdoor festivals. The Flon district has also become a symbol of Lausanne's push for innovation while preserving history. Beneath our feet, there are even old tunnels that were once used to store wine and goods when this was a cargo depot connected to the city's now defunct Flon railway line.
This right here in Quartier du Flon is the Fountain des Instruments de Musique, a sculpted bronze drum kit, mic, amp, and guitar frozen mid-performance. It's not just for show, it actually honors Lausanne's deep-rooted connection to live music and performing arts. The Flon district has hosted over 1,000 live performances in the last 20 years, from jazz and rock to electric and indie pop. And while it's not a world-famous concert stage, local legends like Stefan Eicher and internationally touring Swiss artists have played just steps away from this fountain during events like Festival de la City or Les Balsus, a free music festival held every 2 years that attracts over 60,000 people right here to Lausanne. I love wiener dogs. Oh, that is a sick boat. And then all the mountains too.
Yeah, right?
And even that water is so clear. Look at that dog.
We are currently at Lake Geneva, and the snow-covered peaks in the distance are part of the Chablais Alps in France. The most prominent summit in the distance is the Dents des Morales, which is right all the way over there, which rises to just over 9,700 feet. It's one of the most recognizable mountains from this side of the lake. It's famous for its jagged, saw-like silhouette.
To my left is Lavaux wine region, which is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These terraced vineyards stretch about 19 miles between Lausanne and Montreux, which have been producing wine since the early 11th century. What makes Lavaux unique is how the vineyards are stacked into the hills, soaking up sunlight from 3 angles: direct sun, reflection off the lake, and heat stored in the stone walls. The main grape here is Chasselas, which it makes a crisp white wine that locals drink all year round. This area around the port is known as Ouchy. It actually used to be a small fishing village until the 1800s, when the city of Lausanne connected it to the upper town by funicular and railway. It quickly became a retreat for the wealthy, and today it's a local favorite for lakeside strolls, picnics, and boat rides. From this very port, you can even take a ferry to Evian, Lebanon. Yes, the same Evian that's bottled all over the world. I feel like Lausanne was trying to trick us. It has this huge thing counting down the Olympics, and I feel like it makes it look like the Olympics are gonna be here.
That's what we thought.
But no, I guess they're just really happy for the Olympics. Olympics 2028, Los Angeles. That's gonna be a lot of traffic.
Yeah. But Lausanne isn't just charming, it's strategic. It's the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee, which makes sense once you realize this place is obsessed with movement. People are biking, jogging along the water, hiking into the surrounding vineyards. It's a lifestyle city through and through.
So I don't know if this is in America. Obviously it says equipped sport, which is clearly American, but play for free sports. There's a basketball in here. Got the app. When I press unlock, it should open the door. What? Got a basketball. Let's hoop it up.
It's a very windy day here in Lausanne. This is Jackson Lopez, 6'4". Let's see him just make a half-court shot. Oh my gosh. It's hurricane weather out here, Lausanne. I'm feeling a little crazy. I got sand going into my eyes. I'm right, here he comes again. Second try, he says. Oh! That Cash App payment was received. What do you have to say to that?
Well, it took a while because of the wind, but yeah, we got it done. I definitely don't deserve the MVP trophy for that, but first take, Jake. I'm gonna make this right now. Ready?
Let's go.
Oh! Crispy.